Yo, what's up everybody? OliveGrummer here, and we've got Chainsaw Man today, obviously by the title of the video. So, make sure you guys check out Discord if you're watching this on YouTube because it is a timer reaction. And yeah, that's about all I've got for you. Check the Discord as well, and the links are in the description below, and Patreon, and all that stuff. As always, pull up the episode, watch along, because it begins in 3, 2, 1, play. So I guess you guys in Discord were hating her. The Hotel Devil. I hope she's just stupid strong though, honestly. Interesting. Because if you go into that room and then walk out, you're gonna walk into the hallway that they were just at, right? I guess that's what you guys were hating, was the whining. Could be worse. Yeah, who's the angel-looking person? Also, is that a shark dude? And then who's the person behind them? And then the person behind that? I literally just... if you guys just saw what I put... Greg posted a tweet and it had 4 panels of Makima, and I literally said, get that out of here. Oh my god. And at the same time, he was typing, her bathwater must taste like lemon. That's so funny. Oh man. That's pretty good. I like how he's laying in the bed. Like he's in the bed. Under the sheets, everything. That's interesting. It's probably not. Because everything is a flesh piece. Or like everything is the whole thing. You get what I'm saying? Like it can't react if it's being pulled in all directions. That is a good point. Oh, well, that sucks. It's like Zenitsu. Well, at least you didn't become a sex worker. Actually, I like her voice actress. I actually really, 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 really like her voice actress. She hitting him in the nuts. I like her. What if we just cut the whole place in half? So why 818? 8th floor? He's so stupid! Exactly! No, yeah, he's out. He's out cold. Yeah, he is. The drool and everything. So I wonder why that doesn't just kind of replenish itself too. Oh, so he's losing it as well. Jesus, she's losing it as well. What? What? So she's lost it as well. Have you noticed that the ticking is still going on in the background of the clocks? Now it stopped because I pointed it out. Also, yeah, Power's lost it. She's completely lost it. She smokes. Gross. Good. I like her, honestly, so far. She's a bad influence, though. But why? Oh. Man, that sucks. I didn't even realize that aspect of it too. That does suck. She's a real one. Is he gonna smack her? That's one way to do it. Dude, I respect that. I like that. That's how he got her. Dude, I love it. I love it. And that's why Denji will survive too. Don't do it. So when did he cave? Oh, now he's a chain smoker. Oh, my chest hurts. I really like the voice acting. He's such a freaking child. Interesting. How? Hotel Devil. Oh, a contract already? Why? Yo, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. She's... No, yeah, nah, she can... That was kind of badass. And I feel like she has one of the biggest character developments. Oh, interesting. Oh, I forgot how badass that was. But why Denji, though? Why were we immediately going for him? Is it because he slept in the bed? Where's your main body? Cut it open! That's literally what I was saying! So it kind of reminds me of, JJK. Yo, get the F out of here, man. Cut the whole place down. You're in the stomach. Cut it down. Easy. Oh my gosh, shut up, Bauer. Oh my god, she's so she's just as dumb as them. Him, excuse me, not them. So how are we gonna get out of here in the next 6 minutes? Yeah. Cut the place down. Why? Power ate it. Yep. She's the one that really needs to die. What? What? How? What? How? Dude, yeah, okay, I can see the complaints about her. Even I don't know if the complaints were about her, but... What is she on about? He's spicy. Oh, it's her fear that's feeding it. Here we go. I like the... Why, though? Cut the place down! Wait. Oh, the Eternity Devil. That makes sense. Jump! Again. Yeah, why Denji though? Why specifically the chainsaw? Can you just knock them out again? You're not using that sword. It's always the ones with the blue eyes. I love how she's blushing. He sacrificed himself. Character development. Sort of. Stop being irrational. Like, that's all there is to it. Oh, the reflection. Ah, that's cool. In the blood, that's really freaking cool. Ulterior motives. Aww. Ulterior motives. You're still holding the knife! Can you just knock her out, please, dear God? Now I see what... Okay, alright. Ah, the episode's about to end. Ooh, he said the F word. So I said, cut your way through. Oh, I love her. I guess the chainsaws are strong enough to cut through eternity. Is that where this is going? So far, so good. Yeah, I'm a little upset about how this episode ended. But set up for next week, I guess. Not bad. It wasn't a bad episode. All right, time to go see what you guys were talking about in the Discord. All right. That scared girl is beyond trash. Calm down. Nah, she has no good character traits from what I saw. Yeah, she gets so much better. Doesn't mean I can't stand her now. Fan favorite. Yeah, well, whatever. Shut up, Greg. He got said she showed her true colors real quick and she lost all her chill. Power Man. Alright. Yeah, there's a video that's I posted it in the Discord and it's ProZD explaining when you try to why would you go back to this episode? What the heck? It was what is it? Trying to convince your friend a character gets better later in the series, and it's just like the guy keeps trying. And he's like, I swear he gets better. I swear, and like he just continuously says stuff that like doesn't make him get any better. So basically, I don't. Yeah, she should be free. Yeah. Okay. All right. So he's about thing in Japan. I just smoke. So they're talking about the smoking. Alright, well, I guess that's it. But yeah, no, she was freaking annoying this episode. Like, granted, I understand she probably gets better because I'm sure she's one of those characters that has crazy character development. Thank you, Greg, for spoiling that. But basically, she was annoying as mess this episode and just needed to freaking stay calm. But, I mean, I understand where she's coming from. She didn't sign up for this, kind of like Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. Kind of just got thrown into it, but, you know, whatever. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this episode. As always, have a good day, good night, depending where you are in the world. Thank you guys for watching along. And we'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone. Yo, what's up, everybody? OliveGrummer here, and we're doing Chainsaw Man. My right eye is extremely irritated for God knows why, what reason. So we are going to just honestly jump into this episode. Watch along in 3, 2, 1, play. My nose has been running too. I don't know why. I don't blame him for that mentality, though, especially after the crap that he's been through. My eye. Oh, I like this OST so far. Yeah, but what's so unique about the Chainsaw Devil? Like, what kind of monster was he back in the day? I like this song, honestly. So there's got to be a way for him to not lose as much blood. But yeah, that's my point, right? Like, obviously they have some sort of history, but why? What was the Chainsaw Devil back in the day? I don't know what's up with my eye. That's got to be the Shark Devil back there. I mean, what's the angel-looking person? There's still a bug on his hand when he's doing that. I want to know why. It's a snail. That devil demon looked awesome. Oh, blood. That's one way to do it. He's got a few loose screws. Just a few. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to stream tonight. Yeah, right? Exactly. Just a couple. No, she definitely does. Mm. I'm ready to see this dude get down, honestly. So I guess we're bringing a chainsaw to a gunfight. She doesn't want him to die. I wonder what the significance of that brand is. Just like all my other people. Denji, on the other hand, is none of the above. Oh, his neck snapped. Good for her. He's... I don't know why he reminds me of one of our mods. He genuinely reminds me of Xanax. I love it. Are they still going? I feel like it's been hours. Probably 6 hours. Oh, okay, never mind. Way off. 3 days of pain and misery. And there we go. They didn't do crap, so yeah. Well, the fact that you hate him. Good. I'm glad they feel guilty. Wait. At least she's owning up to it. That's the difference. So how many devils are targeting Denji? What is it that we don't know? Or what got skipped? She must know about him specifically too. What's his secret? I was just about to say it. She's so stupid. So are there new characters here that we haven't seen before? Or that I just don't remember? Didn't bring your fiend? Interesting. Wait. That's reasonable? She about to do it now? Oh, okay, alright. She did that on purpose. He just wants to be... Oh, man. So I need to know who she is, because I don't think we recognize her or the other guy that was like... Oh, okay. Why are you yelling? That's actually pretty interesting that they have different ones. She's down bad. Oh, dang. She's drunk, yeah. You gonna get scared again and panic? Look how he's so stupid. Oh, you're not that special. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Jealousy. Jealousy. Make up your mind. I don't know who I don't know who I freaking I don't know who I trust. I don't know who I like. She's not wasted enough. She is nowhere near drunk enough. Oh! Oh my gosh. Why does this stupid thing keep popping up? Dude, no, yeah. I was about to say, as soon as she said that, they were done for. No. She's gonna change hers too. Yep, look at her just BSing. It's over 9,000. Oh my. Dude, she is all over him. Oh! Let's go! I actually love... Oh god, I'm about to... Gross. I just love that, Oh god, yeah, that actually got me. Hold on. No, I love how Power's just cracking up about it in the background. That's what makes it funny. Full circle. Oh, that's, you know what? Simplicity. Poor Denji. Either they're going home or he's taking him somewhere stupid. I like the first person. Dude, that's dangerous. She picked him up and brought him there? Ah. I feel like she's a little bit jealous, but she also has a point. Move on. Dude, that's dangerous. She knows what she's doing. Okay. Who did the CD? I love the guitar riff. I really love the guitar riff in this song. Honestly. I like the music more than the vocals. Ah, God, my eye. She can go away. So far, that one chick is super annoying. The throw up. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on with my eye. Oh, it's so uncomfortable. That was a good episode, honestly. No, yeah, I didn't expect her to be like, oh, let's do it. But the throw up scene kind of like, it almost got to me. That almost got to me. Like, it made me a little queasy because I started imagining it and I was just like, why am I imagining it? Stop. But no, that was a good episode. I enjoyed it. It wasn't bad. Definitely a kind of more wholesome episode in terms of like everyone getting to know each other, and hopefully these people start getting along. So I guess some of these characters we haven't seen before, like the chick in the far back on the left, and then the one dude closer to the front right, and then the guy in the far back, and then the other guy too. Or at least I just do not remember them whatsoever. So, yeah. Time to either get refreshed on who they are or wait and see what gets explained. But this is our team, and for our team, hopefully none of them die. But I'm assuming people are going to die in this series because they are hinting at it and hinting at it and hinting at it. Oh, God, my eye. Anyways, let me go ahead and wrap this up. I do apologize. Something's stuck in it now. But as always, have a good day, good night, depending where you are in the world. Thank you all for tuning in, hanging out, and watching along. Yeah, look, I don't know what's going on with it, but it's just not getting any better. But anyways, thanks for watching again. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.